All right, we are going to take a quick look at Luna Classic here. So Luna Classic, if we zoom all the way back here to June of 2022, you can see this volume area back here. We do have these two wicks all the way down, pretty low if we line that up with the Fibonacci's we have here on the chart. So is there a potential for Luna Classic to go lower than it is? I would say maybe. I'm not sure. We're kind of in that volume area right now, as you can see here on the chart. So if we go any lower than we are now, I would say if we break this wick low, this bottom here, which I'm going to get off the chart, I'm going to mark the first level here out after the bottom at that 1272. And you can see that takes us, pretty much down to where these wicks are here. So that could potentially be your low if you end up breaking where we are right now. So we are going to zoom back in here on Luna Classic. We are going to get this fib that I just drew on the chart off so we can see what is going on. And I'm not sure when the last time we covered Luna Classic here on the channel, but we're just going to get into it here. So our price to watch here from the high to the low here, you can see we already pretty much hit the 618, the 0.5, the 382. We got back up to that 0.5 level. And ultimately, we're just being pushed down here in price. We're stuck below the 236 at 577. And just to keep it simple here, if you can get back over 577 here, that 21-day EMA, your next stop is going to be potentially the 50-day EMA may push you down. And we're looking at the 382 at a 10% move to that 619 area. So those are going to be your first prices to watch to try to get some momentum going up. You can see we're kind of trading in this downwards channel, if you will. If we draw this kind of like this and just kind of play with it, you can see that this sideways and down type of a channel here. So until we break over that, which would be, I guess, from now breaking over your 382 here and getting some momentum going up, we're going to continue going down like this. So with all that said, let's get that off of the chart. If you cannot get back over that 5.7 level there, and we do come down once again to the bottom here, which is a high possibility just due to the fact that we're forming a bearish market structure here. So potentially a 9.5% drop back to 5. You take out 5, then the ultimate low down here at 4.64 at 18% drop almost. Which, like I said, if that comes down here, that potentially could be your bottom. We may just get a spike down there. I do not know. But I just want you guys to be aware of that. But the bearish market structure that I am speaking of is pretty much after that low here. You can see that you're making lower lows here in the most recent price action. So this formation here is not looking too great. You did, have that one little up here, but then ultimately, it just does not look good for Luna Classic. Either the bottom is in my opinion, at this volume area, which I showed you was way back there in 2022 also, or you're about to, just completely fall off the table, and I would say look out below, and Luna Classic would actually go to zero here. So I just wanted to point that out, let you guys know what is going on with Luna Classic. Before we end, we are going to look. The Heikin-Ashi candles have pretty much been indecisive forever here, as you can see. So we're either getting accumulated and the bottom is in, so watch those prices, or we're going to break the low and potentially go to zero, like I said, on Luna Classic. So we will leave it at that. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.